Okay, so another way of controlling distance before we get our strong De La Riva hook in is this coming up on your elbow. And I might do that for two reasons. So Tyrone's here. So say I'm in the open guard. We talked about the leg press method where I'm flat on my back. We also talked about the knee shield method. So notice the way when I go for the knee shield method and I've got the grip at the back of the pants, as Tyrone drives into me, that's going to give me the collar grip. But another thing I can be doing from this position is, what's our goal? Our goal is to obviously get a strong De La Riva hook in, but our goal is to get a grip on one of these sleeves or the collar. If I'm from this position, when I'm on my right shoulder, if I'm searching for that near side grip, Tyrone can hide it. I'll definitely not get the far one. And if I try to get this one, he's posturing. So from here, if I'm on my right side, I have my grip, I just withdraw my right elbow and physically come up on it from here. This now allows me to find the collar. Maybe he is still posturing, but I definitely make this grip. Okay, so that's one thing I can be thinking about. The other thing I can be thinking about is, especially if Tyrone's really driving into me and I'm using my knee shield method to keep him at a distance, which will give me the collar. So all I'm going to do is I still come up on my elbow, and now I have connection with my right elbow on the mat, with my left hand in the collar, and my left shin or instep is on his far hip. I can now use that connection to start walking backwards, moving my butt away from his instep. And once I have that and now of angle, it's going to be so easy to put in that strong De La Riva hook. And now from that position, we're ready to play the game where I can off balance him in four directions. Just get another angle on that. So the goal from our open guard is to get the strong De La Riva hook in and to get a grip on the far sleeve, which is the one I really want. If I can't get that, I'll have the collar or the near side sleeve. From here, Tyrone's hiding all of those grips and posturing, and he's driving into me. So if I'm going for this coming up on the elbow, I definitely don't want to be doing it from the knee press method where I was grabbing the shin and using that leg press to keep him back, because now if I come up on my elbow, it's all core. So as he drives into me, I'm turning onto my side, that side tilt method. I'm using my knee shield. The grip is on the back of the pants. And now it's easy for me to come up on that elbow. I'm not using my core as much, and then I'm going to make that grip on the collar. Once I have that, it's easy now for me to walk my hips back. Just with the connection I have with my right hand on the pants, left hand on the collar, and I can push on that hip and physically now walk my hips away from his. I have the angle now, so now that right foot's coming in, and I'm going to make that strong De La Riva hook at his hip. Once I have that and I have my grips, I can start to off balance in four directions. So that is our coming up on the elbow concept, which again is one of the main ones that we want to be thinking about before we get the De La Riva hook.